Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Garage. And today I have a part that I want to install on the Haas. A couple videos back, my testing video, I noticed that the motor was getting a little warm, so I wanted to put a fan on it. And I remembered I had this Castle fan that just goes on with some zip ties. I had it right here in my whatever thing of spare parts, my drawer of spare parts. I remembered I had it. So I'm gonna test if the fan actually makes a difference on the temperature. It probably will, but is it a big enough difference? Is it like worth it? I don't know. I've never really done this kind of testing, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna first go out, do 3 speed runs, no fan, and then I have my temp gun, and I'm gonna check the temperature, and then I'm gonna come back, install the fan, go do 3 more speed runs, and check the temp again, and then we'll see what the difference is. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, I have the body off because I want to get the temperature right away. I don't want to waste time taking off the body. So we're just gonna do 3 runs. Ready? So that's 1. Send it back down. Do another one. Two. Back down. 1 more, and we'll check the temperature. Oh no, it flipped. Okay, temp gun. That is 108. 108. 3 speed runs. Do it again. Probably gonna be down a little bit. Oh no, it's up. Hold on. 109. Watch. It went up. See, 110, 112, 111. So we're just gonna say 110. Average it. Alright, so as you guys saw, it was around 108 to 112. So in that range, we can just say 110 right in the middle. So now I'm gonna install the fan, and we're gonna take it back out, 3 more speed runs, and then see what the temperature is and if the fan even made a difference or not. So let's get to installing the fan. Alright guys, I have installed the fan on. I can only find this zip tie. This is the only zip tie I had right here on my bench. I need to get more zip ties, but this should keep it on for now. It should be fine just for testing purposes. But yeah, let's take it out now and see what the temps will be now that the fan is on. All right, let's get to the 3-speed run. Send it down first. Okay, first one done, 2 more. Speed run number 2. One more. Okay, that was number 3. Here, let's see what the temp is. So I got 101. That was the most in the middle. We could get it. 101 was the temp. So it does make a difference. I will probably keep it on there. Just so you know, it says that's an 8-degree difference or 10-degree difference. So I probably will keep it on there. But yeah, I need to get better zip ties, obviously. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I know it was a shorter one, but I just wanted to see if the fan would make a difference because the motor did run a little warm. So I just want to see if the fan was going to make a difference, and I just wanted to show you guys what difference it made and if it made a difference, and it did. And I'll probably keep that fan on there because 8 degrees, you know, that's a pretty good difference. So I'm just going to keep that fan on there, get some better zip ties. And yeah, but that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.